Good day traders, introducing the Expert Option Advanced Strategy. Look at my previous trades, trading with a basic account. Be sure to have money management and avoid trading on greediness. This video will cater you on how to use the trend. At the right side of the panel below the Deals tab. Here, you can see pairs with their corresponding signals. The up and down arrows represent the strength of their trend. We will use the trend strategy to get our profitable trades. With this, I am also using the RSI alert attached from the MetaTrader. We can filter each strategy to minimize trading risk and have our profitable trades. Look at Euro, GBP, which is 1 minute buy alert, and it has great uptrend arrows. Let's trade with it. Better to trade with less purchase time within 5 to 1 second. Let's wait for our trade to be done. Hoping that we could win the trade? Please like, subscribe and click the bell notification button to see updates and strategies trading with binary options online. See the whole video on how to install the MetaTrader into your system. You can still trade while waiting for our trades. Be sure to wait for the signal notification of the RSI. Then check the trend of the pair to get your trade fully optimized. We got our results and a winning trade. Let's find another signal and gain another profit. Look at EUD, CHF, has 1 minute sell alert. Let's see its trend. There is no available pair to be traded with EUD, CHF. Let's skip to this and go for the EUD, USD. Let's trade to it. Trade with 1 second purchase time. We will wait for 30 seconds expiration time. It is also safe to have a martingale strategy for advanced traders. Have a risk management and trading mindset. Avoid trading on the news.
Incoming mail.